do some work to this Escalade. It's gonna get heads, cam, and twins. Siobhan's wife's had a few problems, so just tearing it apart and getting it all ready. And
On a more personal note, Beatrice, Edgar ran off with an old girlfriend. You're gonna go stay with your mom a couple nights, you're gonna get over it and decide you're better off.
Well, yeah, you know, because he never appreciated you anyway. In fact, you know what? You kicked him out. And now that he's gone, you're gonna go in town, you go to Bloomingdale's, you find yourself some nice dresses, get yourself some shoes, you know, find somewhere, maybe you get a facial, and hire a decorator to come in here quick, because damn.
Please do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get in Igbo. Get out of here for real. I'm saying get out of here for real. I'm saying get out of here.
The heads are off, so pretty much can go talk to the machine shop and drop them off, get them done.